Okay, for 74, I'm looking at it. I'm going to use Sage, integrate. We already thought through the problem, paper and pencil. We got an answer. What's it going to be? 1 divided by, and that's going to be 1 plus x squared. And we're dividing by, 1 plus x to the 2022 with respect to x, and we're starting at 0, and we're going off to infinity. Okay, right now I notice I just hit the return button. It's like blinking now, and it's thinking. Right, when I say it's thinking, I think it's probably struggling at this point. So I'm noticing the same pattern I had with a prior problem, that I'm not going to sit there and wait for it. I'm going to hit Control C. It killed it. It said console to interrupt. Let me clear the screen. I don't need to see all that stuff now. I'm not going to read through it anyway. And I'm going to copy paste. Numerical integration. And what do I get? I get this number over here. That's the result of the integration. It gives me what I believe to be an error bound on it, and it's a really precise error bound. I mean, it's 9.6 times 10 to the minus 10th. It's really an incredible approximation to the problem. Now I'm looking at the number, and some people are better than others at looking at numbers and knowing what they look like. But I'm going to say it looks like pi divided by 4, right? So if I were to take pi and divide by 4, it would say 1/4 of a pi. But what I want to do is I want to approximate it. And the way to do that is just to simply say, I want an approximation of pi, is what I want. So pi dot n, n stands for numerical approximation, it's a function call, and I'm going to divide that by 4. What do I get? I'm getting that number we expected to get. Now, certainly I'm not going to say it's exactly the same number, but it's not. There's no way that Sage came up with that number, but it came up with a really close approximation to the number. All right? So what's the deal over here? We did paper and pencil. It took us some time and effort to get through that, but we did get pi before. Sage struggled. Right? What do we do then? We use numerical integration to look at it. And there's going to be a variety of tools out there that will allow you to do these problems over here. And again, I think Sage is a worthwhile product to be looking through. Thank you.